I am so sorry. We did not know what the hell was going on. Why were we not working? This is Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE, and Crypto. We fixed our internet. We had a little child home from school today. And what happened when she was home from school today? Well, she took all of Wall Street Pete's bandwidth. And Wall Street Pete was wondering why why can I not go live? Why are we having so much issues? Well, we're back. We're actually going to have no issues anymore. Unbelievable. That was funny. My kid was home, and we were sitting here wondering. I'm sitting here wondering, why is my internet working? Well, the kids are home from school. Happy Thanksgiving, and just wanted to talk about some things as we just got cut off, and we're finally coming back. Very important. So we have some crazy videos today. I'm sorry. This sucks. What's up, Matthew? Matthew, we've been doing nothing but getting cut in and out. So if you like Wall Street, Pete, SICKDOE, and Crypto, and finally want to watch the show and finally want to get uninterrupted, well, his child was home using all his bandwidth. Wifey working from home and everybody home is killing my internet bandwidth. But we're back, ready to act, and I got you now. So if you missed this morning's video, Nantic and a crypto debit card company made an AR game where you can earn Bitcoin. Pretty cool. I thought it was neat. You can take the orange pill and you can protect yourself from the shit coins like that. It was kind of cool. We talked about Shiba Inu. We talked about this fall, and perhaps 3,700 was coming. I already told everybody, well, here it is. Perhaps we even go lower than the 32, so you have to watch out for that. Shiba Inu, I will be buying and putting a long position in, most likely at this price. So pay attention to that as everyone's getting scared. They're losing their money. I'm already out. I already knew that this was coming. I'm sorry. Here we are for you. I sold my men into Decentraland. Currently, dollar cost average a decent amount at $5. So here we are, live, ready to rock and roll. I'm so excited that we are now fixed on the internet. I'm so sorry. We were going live, and I couldn't figure out why I couldn't get my internet to work. We had so much going on. We were talking about Crow. We talked about how Crow, you need to get this head to form and get us to the 105, get to the dollar so we can take some profits out of there and form this head that I'm kind of showing you what's going on here. It's very important. So I'm just doing a quick review, quick Wall Street Pete, fast talk money. So please, if you may, hit the like and hit the subscribe. This is the actual video. This is the best video here. We're going to actually have no problems, and I do apologize one more time as it was very frustrating. Trust me, I know. But now we're rocking and rolling like Billy Joel. Let's go. So SICKDOE and Crypto. Resistance at the 98 cents. You can see it. It's hitting right there. And I'm very excited now because now we're operating the way we're supposed to. We talked about Engine Token. Keep moving along. Looking pretty good. Hopefully we hit the $5 mark as well. Take some profits. If it seems too good to be true, continue to get your profits. Upward W's don't always come at this type of rate. So it is kind of nice to see the volume coming in. It's kind of nice to see the exponential moving average. And if you see, well, we were getting a little bit of a split here. It was getting tight, and now you see even tighter here, coming back, another move to the upside. So this is really good stuff here. $5 Engine. I never thought Engine would do that, but if you look right here, there was a really, really strong resistance level of the 450. So just keep it in mind. Now we know, it's not every day you're at 450 on Engine. Matter of fact, it's not any day. So pay attention to that. If you want to see what's going on, you get rid of, remove the indicators, and you see that the price was only $4. So $4 in April. Now we're talking about 450 resistance in November. So pay attention to that. Big deals. This is what we're talking about. And this is what we deal with. So we're gonna do it tonight. If we didn't have these issues today, and if we didn't have them, we'd be doing 5 TA coins right now. 5 TA coins of your want, whatever you suggest. We're gonna do this tonight, okay? So tonight, I'm not kidding. I promise. This internet thing really got me screwed up. KuCoin Gem. I love KuCoin. It is 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. Wednesday. The night before Thanksgiving and everything we're thankful for. And I don't know what you're thankful for, but I'm thankful for cryptocurrency. Definitely thankful. So pay attention, definitely to mention that's the red candle is going to give you a little bit of a shakeout and turn green here, Engine. And continue to tap that. You'll probably get that one more time at 450. I'm hoping we finish at the 5, but there's a chance we can come down. Huge news on November 29th and end of December. The gem for what is it? SCLP? Okay. Crypto market cap currently right now, if we're paying attention, definitely mention 2.53. So we're getting the 2.53 430 there, currently trading and trying to retest the 450. Should break out, get the head somewhere around there. I do believe so. Not 100% sure if we're going to get it. I can't guarantee nothing. Nothing is guaranteed in the crypto market, but I do see it possibly coming and hitting a little resistance as we may go up a little more. So there it is. A little bit of resistance on the top there, going over the resistance line of 78. So relative strength index looks strong. We'll talk about a couple prices coming up, couple prices coming down. As you see, resistance is very, very strong on the 4-hourly on here. Perhaps we do come down a little, hit the 415. Maybe we hit there. I do see a little bit of that, but if you see right exactly there is a big deal at 383. There may be a Fibonacci sequence correction that'll take us to there in the future. So do believe, as I love to talk about the price that's going to hit and the price that's going to be a great price to buy back in before it does that upward W. This is what I do. So what KuCoin Gem? Oh boy, here we go. He said SCLP. I don't know what that is. So there's over 14,000 coins. And thankful you're back on 3 times a charm. Haha. Well, you know what's funny is the kid was home. I don't know if you caught that. The little one's home and she's eating up my bandwidth, watching all this garbage YouTube. Imagine. Stay away off that YouTube stuff, man. It's not good for you. Wink, wink. YouTube is the greatest. We're the loveliest community, the best community out there. So hit the like and subscribe. Chart is bullish. News coming. It's worth paying attention to. And I will pay attention to it. Definitely, absolutely. Thank you for the information. This is why we're a great community. People have great insight. I only have 2 eyes, okay? I have one here and I have one there, and I'm very thankful for them. But you have another set. So if you could see something that I can't, let's talk about it. Let's look at it. Let's check it out. We'll take every comment worthy. We'll take you serious until we find out that you're a jokester or a troll or a clown, and then we'll ignore you. That's just how it works. But pay attention, definitely to mention 450 perhaps. 450 perhaps it hits resistance again, comes down and hits the 383. You know Wall Street Pete is buying engine at 383 like a savage. It was resistance here, 382 as you see it. Really 383 is the number, but if you notice, that's it. So pay attention on that. It's very important. We were right here. You have to see it. Understand we will come back to it, and I do believe we will get an upward W if we do that. Upward W is awesome. The problem is the confirmation level will tell you very big things if we are not going there. So if we're not going there, I'm trying to get rid of that. There it is. If we're not going there, you'll see this right here. We'll finish below here. And what is that right there? There it is. 409. So 410. So if we finish below 410, right? Understand that. This is the 4-hourly. If we fit, and I love doing this because people can't believe I'm right 90% of the time. Finish under $4.10 on engine, it's bearish. I'm just letting you know. Don't shoot the messenger. What's going to happen here is if we go under and finish this 4-hourly candle under, and I say the next 2, say 1, 2, and in 8 hours, if you're at work right now, when you get home from work, and if you see that we're starting to finish a price range under the 410, you know that we're in a bearish mode, and you know, oh, shiznick. Wall Street Pete said that's probably a good buy. You're going to watch this trend line come through, hopefully come up, and we're going to be able to buy engine at that price. If not, you're going to have to understand that it's gone, and you missed your opportunity. It's going to the $5, as we said, as we predicted weeks and weeks ago, days and days ago, whatever it's been. Crypto market will take your life away as far as dog years. It's way worse than dog years. So do understand resistance was strong. We're going to come back and retest. I do see that coming. This is probably your last chance to get out of 450 if you were upset that you didn't. Perhaps you're going to be greedy. You're going to wait for $5. That's what we all do, right? So that's probably what's going to happen. Let's pay attention to all of that. We do a little bit of everything here. Man at the central end, I sell out at $5, and then I pay attention to a little higher, get out a little more, and then got scared and said, oh, wow, I wish I sold out here. Well, don't worry about it. Stop worrying about the pumps up after you sell out. Be happy about the gains that you've made. And that's the problem you all have. So instead of just being happy and just saying, you know what, I sold at 505, and that's what I just did. I sold at 505, and that's what I happened to get out at. It actually pumped higher as I was trying to get out at the market price. I was trying to get out at 5, and it went to 505. I was laughing. I was like, okay, I'll take the 5 cents extra. And I got out, and it was resistance support right here, and then it came up, and it went 30 cents higher. And I went, oh, 25 cents higher. You can't do that. You have to be happy with your gains. If you're not happy at buying crypto, any asset 2 days ago at 362, and I'm going to show you what I just did because this is what I just did. Let's talk about it. What did Wall Street Pete do? As this is not financial advice, but this is entertainment purposes. Do your own research. If we sold out at the 505, right? If we sold at the 504, I made almost 40% on my money. Do you understand that? In 2 days. So gotta get that in your head. You have to start syncing that in your mind. I told you, timestamped on Instagram, let's go. 362. I'm buying. Nobody wanted to buy. Everybody thought 428 was too high. I even had this guy Marcus on my channel who comes in. He's a hater, and he said he's hated way before earlier in my channel, like back in March. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm stupid. Why are people still watching? Don't think I don't forget that stuff. I have a memory like a fucking elephant, right? Pay attention to what's going on here. This is huge. And like I said, 362 is a great buy. And now we're over here talking about 5 something. So don't always your dollar cost average out. If I sold all my mana at $5, I'd be throwing up right now. So understand there's reasons. We're going to 580 hopefully. And there's a chance that my TA was telling me we're going to hit the 680. I don't believe in my own TA. I don't believe in that number as being the head. But hey, I've said this before and been totally shocked and hit it exactly. So exactly as I predicted. It is what it is. Let's hope that we're correct about this one because I have an order to sell at 680. So do understand I put an order at 680 to sell. It's up to you. This is Man of Decentraland. I have a thing at 688 for whatever reason. My TA is telling me we're going there on the head, on the inverted head and shoulders pattern. So enjoy if it does. We talked about engine as we're finally running right. No more lag. No more bandwidth taken away from my kid home from school today. So now we have that problem fixed. We will be live without any issues. I'm sorry about that. I thought I needed to call my company up on my cable company and scream them out. So Scallop looks interesting, Cole. He's going to take a look. All right, so we got my people doing work already. Thank you very much, Travis. Check that out. And if you can get back to me, as you are the HODL master. So the HODL master's in on it. 386, one more time, engine. I do believe this upward W is coming. See the $5, take profits. But do believe that if it finishes under the 410, we're very bearish on engine. We talked about that. Crypto.com now. Crypto.com has hit resistance currently at the 98 cents. It currently wants to break through there. So on the next 4-hourly candle, which is in 1 hour at the 11 o'clock Eastern time, New York time, Crypto.com Crow is coming back up and poking through, hopefully to the 107, as it will be taking profits at about 105 to beat the whales. Definitely pay attention as this inverted head and shoulders, this green line. I'm trying to show you what I believe is going to happen here. I believe that we're going to hit the shoulder at the resistance that we just did at 98 cents. This is coming down, retracing, and then you'll see the trend is your friend from this very moment. What is that? Well, that's your inverted head and shoulders pattern coming down to the bottom end, and you'll see how it forms, and then we will go back, test shoulder onto the top. So everything's going as predicted here, as nicely as done. The only thing I don't like what's going on right now is this. Not a fan. I don't think anybody's a fan. We all know I'm a huge Cardano holder. Yes, did I sell some at the 237 level? Yes, I did. And I've been holding and waiting for profits for a while to be able to dip into a dip. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you ever had money on the side, now's the time to put it in to Cardano. Like I said, do your own research. I'm not a registered financial advisor, but if I ever did see something looking as beautiful as this is a textbook. Buy the dip and then have a sip. So, I mean, really, I can't talk about it anymore. You want to talk about a token that's a buy the dip and have a sip. I'm going to say it one more time. This is it, man. Cardano really is crazy looking. There's so much fun right now with the El Toro story. I mean, who gives about the El Toro story? Tell him, Travis, please educate everyone in here that doesn't know what's going on with the Cardano. This is a joke, ladies and gentlemen. El Toro had what? What did we buy off El Toro? Did anybody use El Toro? El Toro Moro. I don't give a damn about El Toro. This isn't going to matter. Thank you so much for knocking the price down so I could buy more. That's all I'm going to say. Thank you very much for the FUD, the bullshit you pulled out, and now we're buying more. Thank you very much. We're going to have a good day. This is the Wall Street Pete Show. We're back in action. No more problems as far as the internet pertains. I'm sorry that we had that issue, but you see there's things doing different things here. So as we're sitting here going up and we're screaming about Crow, I will be hitting and taking profits at the 105. What am I doing? I'm converting it into Cardano, the Mano. Understand that these things, when you can do what the whales do and take turns, if you can do what the whales do and take turns, and this is why you don't hold on to your money, and sometimes hodling is the dumbest thing you could possibly do. Sometimes, keyword, because now you're little Johnny getting in for your first day, and you're like, oh, I'm going to hodl. I'm going to buy some, and I'm not going to look at it. Guess what? You're having a hissy fit because you're down 32%, 33% on your money. It's killing you and you can't take it. Understand the high volatile wave is turning it into an inverted head and shoulders pattern that's going to take us to the shoulder at the 188 and then reverse and go back up and maybe take us past or break us through the 230, the 237. Understand that that's going to be significant resistance. Wall Street Pete will be taking some profits again at that price and be buying a dip probably at the 188 as it showed us. But I do believe that we do hit this and I do buy the dip on 209. So 209, 210, and I'm telling you before we get there, 209, 210 on Cardano, I will be buying a dip. So imagine I'm talking about buying a dip. Wait a minute, what? You're going to buy a dip at 209? How the F are you going to buy a dip at 209 Wall Street? We're at 162. This is the dip. I'm going to tell you right now, when it comes all the way up here, I'm selling at 230. I'm selling a little more at 237. It's going to hit resistance, come back down to the 239, and then I'm buying more then from the 230, 20 more cents cheaper and accumulating more. I'm just letting you know this is my strategy. This is what I plan on doing. I'm going to be a freak because what you're going to find out is you're going to find the biggest W you ever seen in your life from Cardano. And if you don't believe me, don't believe me, just watch. Bum, 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 bum. This is the craziest show, the best crypto show you ever did see. And I'll tell you right now, when Cardano is going to get loose, and I'll tell you, this is the ticker bounce. Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Tickers bounce, because that's what tickers do. When this thing bounces, and you're starting making SICKDOE and crypto, and I'm jumping around like an idiot, and I'm talking about Cardano, and you're going, holy cow, and everyone's congratulating me, because I'm going to feel like that's what everyone's going to be doing. I want you to be able to be congratulating with me. This is going to be one of the biggest W's. This is going to be one of the biggest gains that are just going to come, and people don't see it, okay? So understand, we have work to do. We could be even coming down a little lower. It's a possibility. The FOMO is real as steel. Get it? But as I'm looking and I'm zooming in and I'm starting to understand, it looks like we're getting big resistance wicks. Big resistance wicks. Pay attention. What's happening? What happened the last time we did that? Big resistance wicks. Well, we started to come back up. We got a dead cat bounce here. Let's see where we go with the rest of the moves. I expect big volume to be coming into Cardano like you wouldn't believe. And if I'm looking at the RSI level, the last time we fell through to the RSI level, we were down. And guess what happened? Well, if you look what happened to Cardano, we went on a trend from October 27th all the way to October 21st. So please look at the bottom here. I want you to understand what's happening. October 27th all the way to November 21st. Where does that take us if that repeats? Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your Cardano revive. Yeah. We're going to be singing Christmas songs. We're going to be losing our shiznick. So understand why you buy the dip and have a sip as this downward trend, the trend is your friend, is about to end. So do pay attention to that. Understand where the upward W's come from and why we talk about them, because then they eventually do stuff in that formation, and that's what you get. So if you understand the crypto market, if you're one of those people that sit here and watch the hourly, and if you watch the hourly and you're one of those people, you're going to learn the hard way that, damn, this hurts. Look at this high volatile wave mess. 174 Cardano, the next minute, possibly 155. I mean, that's bad. If you get a high volatile wave from the 24th to the 24th, we're looking at the dates. We're talking 7 hours ago. It's big, high volatile waves. You got to pay attention. It will take you out. If we are somehow going to bounce off this now and come up, you're going to see fake dead cat bounces like this. 174 one more time. back to the 161, and then you'll see what's happening. These are the price levels that will happen for a very falling wedge. The falling wedge does this, and if it's going to continue to be that falling wedge, now you're starting to see the price levels I'm talking about. Pay attention to that, because if that's what's going to happen, you're going to be on this wave with me. We're going to be screaming like Willie Beeman. All right, so I don't want to be a dead horse no more. Pay attention, definitely to mention this is excitement. Just watch what we did, what we went over on Cardano. It's huge. It's a big deal. I'm going to put in the title Cardano engine and a couple things. I'm very annoyed with what's going on today. Remember, we talked about selling at 4,700 on my channel. I told everybody 4,700. Go back to the timestamp video. Ethereum, I'm selling 4,700. I said to everyone, and they were like, "Yeah, okay, you're a lunatic." Yeah, I am, huh? The double top M pattern showed me an M pattern, and all the confirmation levels were showing. So do pay attention. Ethereum is going to break out within the next day or two. I'm telling you right now, Ethereum is going to break out in the next day or two. Probably by tomorrow morning, you'll be waking up seeing something bigger on Cardano. So I may actually have to buy more now too. Looking at this chart is telling me Cardano is about to explode. So we're probably going to talk about that tonight. That's a really big deal. Holy crap. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a nice W. So you may need to pay attention to that. You may want to get your head out of your airs and see what's going on with Ethereum, because we're looking to do an ascending triangle pattern up, not ascending channel, excuse me. And I'm just excited. Ascending channel up, and then we're going to get this breakout to test the ultimate resistance price of 4,700. How funny is that? So 4,700 will come back as a resistance price. If you do know, if you didn't know, now you know. 4,700, the price that I sold out is where I'll be able to get resistance to sell out again. This is just where the give keeps on giving. If you don't understand what's happening here, Wall Street Pete is giving you tips, not financial advice, but it's twice as nice. You're going to be talking about buying there and talking about selling there. It's going to be unreal. $500 profit on an Ethereum for every one you buy. If you buy 10, well, you just made $5,000 on this trade. That's how it works. Talk to you later. Maybe we'll sing it away with we're going to have a good day. Why not, right? I'm excited. You're invited. This is what we do. We talk about positivity, crypto music. We talk about how that's not, we're not going to talk about Jake. We talk about our crypto money. We talk about how we're going to make our bags. We're going to be healthy, and we're going to have a good day. Yeah. www.worksessions.com. Yep. The guy who used to work on the trading floor at NYMEX. Here he is. So have a good day. I want you to understand crypto is high volatile waves. People are bad in the chat. So don't talk to them in the chat. Just talk to me, and we're going to have a good day.
We're gonna have a good day. La-dee-da-da.
Yeah, so hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride.
Ain't no one gonna die today.
Oh, yeah. Ain't no one got to die today. And if you don't like the TA, we got bills to pay. I don't understand what he is saying. You better buy the dip and then you have a sip. The red candle can't stand you. You know it's not good. But if you understood, you could buy and get more wood. Like a woodchuck would. And if a woodchuck could chuck wood, then how much wood would it chuck? I don't give a uck. I don't know. I used to drive a pickup truck. I had my CDL license, and now I do this thing. I'm not a financial advisor. I like to wear the New York visor, but it's okay. So listen to what I say. One day we're going to the moon, and then we're going soon. And I feel like Tim with a plan. I got my toes in the sand, and if you understand, I'm trying to be a better man. And get this cedar, take a seat. We'll be drinking margaritas. Let's go. It's the Wall Street Beat Show. Love you. Positivity, yo. We're out of here like Vladimir. Take care, all. Please hit the bell, hit the like notification, hit the all notification. So when we go live, you get this stuff immediately. And when the internet and my little girl is at home from school, stealing all my bandwidth, I can actually have a normal video. This is what we do. Wall Street Beat. Have a great day. Take care.
a fitness miracle.